Enjoy the silence. Words like violence break the silence. Feelings are intense. Words are trivial. I was installing it backwards. All I've ever wanted, all I've ever needed is here in my arms. Words are very unnecessary. They can only do harm. All I've ever wanted, all I've ever needed is here in my arms. Words are very unnecessary. They can only do harm. Okay, Oliver. Oliver, I love you. I love you, Oliver. Oh, here he comes. Oh, I don't think these are the ones that are these are not them. That's for the strike. For security purposes. Achy back. Ma'am?
Hi, I'm looking for the owner of the home. Is that you? No? Do you guys rent? Oh, do you know when the owner will be home? No? Okay, I'll stop by some other time. Thank you.
I'm just a handyman that they called to like change all the door locks, the faucets, the valves. That's it. Okay. So I'm trying to finish by tonight. That's my kitty. I'm trying to finish. He's like my Pokemon. And he's always with me because I hate being alone.
Cute.
Yeah, I hate being alone, so I always bring him to my jobs. And he's and so I'll be done. I don't know, but I'm gonna be weird late. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow they're gonna do carpet. Oh. So I don't know if they're gonna completely.
Oh, you run away?
Oh, it's okay. He has a tag and he probably needs to go. I just it's okay.
He's just standing right here.
No worries, it's okay. He's very friendly.
Okay, good.
Okay, so blessings, be well.
So did they just move in then, or they
didn't? No. I think they're fixing it to sell or rent out. I don't know.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But I know like the faucets were beautiful and chrome and they worked properly, but they still had me remove them and put some other new ones. So I'm like, okay.
Huh.
Yeah, so I guess they're just like a new facelift. So it's actually a good thing because it's a very beautiful home.
Oh yeah.
Quality wise. I'm a handyman. I do work everywhere in the city, right? So this house, I'm like in awe. I'm like, wow. Like no cracks, no like patches, no. It's very well made. Anyway, quality was well made. Is well made. Huh. Yeah. Blessings. You could come by it tomorrow. They should be here because, like I said, these people are gonna be here demoing and doing the carpet and stuff. So.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you.
Blessings. Be well.
Good night.
Good night, ma'am. Oliver. I could give you somebody's number, ma'am.
Sorry, what was that? Were you talking to me?
Yeah. I said I could give you the man that hired me's number so you could talk to him and ask him.
I can just come back. We're just offering like a solar program, so it's better if I talk to him in person. But yeah, I can just stop by some other time.
Yeah, I don't think he would be the guy that you want to talk to them because he's like a contractor and he's supposed to be doing this, but I guess then he got me to do it. So what I'm saying is I think you would need to talk to his boss. Not my boss, but my boss's boss. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But I could
that's who owns the house?
I could give you no. That's who got the contract to fix it up.
Oh, got it.
Yeah, so it's right now. I believe it's like the owner. I believe is fixing it. Automatic locks. That
Oh.
always scare me.
Yeah.
And but yeah, he it's like a company that fixes homes and prepares them for sale or to put them on the
Oh,
market.
got it. Okay.
Yeah. So I don't know.
So
Hey
this house is
Oliver,
empty right
he's
now,
behind
then?
you. Be careful. Don't step on him, please.
I will
I don't want you to trip and fall. Yeah. So a lot of accidents happen with kitties, especially the elderly people and their little puppies and stuff. Especially how the kitties go around your legs and stuff.
Yeah.
Imagine the old ladies and their long gowns.
Oh.
Yeah, I'd help a lot of my customers are old people. That's what I'm telling you that. Oliver,
Okay.
he's
Well,
okay. Blessings, man.
Well, thanks for the information.
Cool.
He won't run away if I walk by, Emily.
I don't think so. He may want to say hello to you though.
Okay. Thanks. Have a good night.
Likewise.
Hello.
Okay, I do not need this. Oliver. Hey, boy. What are you doing, boy? You hear the birds? Do you hear them, Oliver? You decided to come back inside, Oliver, because you're a house cat. You don't like to be in the outdoors, Oliver. You like the AC? Is that true, Oliver? You're a bougie kitty that eats tuna and salmon. You eat better and healthier than me. You even eat cleaner and more kosher than me. Oh, Father, forgive me, Father. Oh, that I could be always in search to strive to be better, to be holier for you, Father, to serve you, Father. I bless your name, Father. I worship you, Father. What is making that noise? Something. I need to stop recording. I need to start working. Oliver. I love my job. Oliver. Okay. Stay there, phone. Don't fall. Okay. You gotta watch out for the haters. Gotta watch out for the haters. You gotta watch out for the haters. You gotta pray for them haters. You gotta pray for them haters. Oliver. Oliver. What are you doing, Oliver? Getting a paddle bit. Oliver. Okay. I need to get a paddle bit. I need to make a hole for that deadbolt. 1 inch. I have little eyes. I just saw myself on the camera thingy, and it almost looks like my eyeballs are closed. My eyes are closed. Ah, gutter from the gutters. Oliver, my Oliver. I'm putting a paddle bit into a screw gun. Okay, I'm gonna make a hole. You can see the hole. Can you see the mark? No, I don't know. I know nothing. I know nothing. Don't ask me. I know nothing. Oliver, you're back. Where were you? Where have you been, Oliver? Oliver! Yeah, baby. I like that. Oh, shoot. I got chips on my beard. Oliver has some water right there. There's Oliver. Chilling. You getting comfortable over there? Are you getting comfortable over there, Mr. Oliver? I love you, Oliver. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, okay. So now I gotta do the little square thingy, chip thingy, cause I gotta chisel out. Gotta do my mortars or whatever. I don't give a crap. I'm a disgrace to carpentry. I know. Here it is. Where I last left it. Dang, that's a heavy duty plate. Look at that. Golly. Jiminy crickets. She's gonna look pretty. Watch, I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at. Turn around, phone. I don't have a fancy, schmancy iPhone, so look at that. See? Hey, the door just closed by itself. Bam. Gonna go like that. Alright. Open door. And stay open. And please don't come over here, officer. I mean, constable. I'm working in front of a constable. Hey, where's the screw gun? Oh, I changed the tip, did I not? No, there's the other one. Okay. So, we are gonna go ahead and, how can I gotta free my hands. How to make a base out of styrofoam. See? It's gonna lean on it. At least that's my theory. Don't fall, phone. Stay. I like it. His name is Yeshua. His name is Yeshua. You're back, Oliver. Here. I love you, Oliver. He's a bougie kitty. He loves being in the AC. Where's the plate? You want some food, Oliver? Look, right here. Food. Right there. Come on, Oliver. You got food and you got water. All I've ever wanted, all I've ever needed is here in my arms. Words are very unnecessary. They can only know. I lost both of the screws, and they both fell within an inch from each other. Stay their plate. Stay their screw. He's drinking water. I'm so happy. I've been trying to get him to drink water. I leave the sink dripping or a little stream sometimes running so it could encourage him to drink. And sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But I only did it one time. And I've only successfully one time after trying it 2 times, 3 times. Stay there. Stay there, Stu. I love it. Give me more of it. I want to see if the door will close, but well, no, I still want to chisel for it. Oh my gosh, it works, but I still gotta chisel for it. Look. Oh. There it is, right? Okay. So we close the door. Closing the door. Bam. Look. Check this out. Check this out. Where are you, Deadbolt? Look. With the pinky. Oh my goodness, praise Father. All glory to Father. So now I gotta remove that and chisel that. Mortise that. I'm gonna do it by hand. Yep. All for Father. That's what matters. Oliver. Where are the he's still drinking water. Oh, I'm so glad you found it, Oliver. So I'm gonna score the perimeter of that plate with my knife, with my blade, and then I shall begin to whittle. Oh my goodness, great balls of fire. Oliver. 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 Yahuwah Eloheinu. Yahuwah Eloheinu. Amen. Hashem Adonai. Hashem Adonai. Yahuwah Eloheinu. Yahuwah Eloheinu. Shema Yisrael, Shema Yisrael, Yeshua Eloheinu. Alright guys, so I'm done cutting deep
along the perimeter of that plate that I used as a jig. So let's remove it and chisel away. Oh yeah, I want to see how it looks before I remove it. Oliver, are you gonna be nosy over there, Oliver? I don't know if you can see it, but it's scored all the way around the top, the bottom. Anyway, so I'm gonna remove it now. I need to go check on Oliver because I heard a vehicle come and turn around, phone. Oliver, I love you. He's just chilling in the porch. Stay there, Screw. All eyes on you. You're not gonna screw me, I'm gonna screw you in where you belong. That is your purpose. Okay, y'all wanna see how it looks? Get over here, phone. What's up, Oliver? Bam. That's how it looks. Alright, so now we're gonna chisel away. Stay there, phone. Don't fall. Stay there, okay? And of course, I didn't bring a hammer because I didn't know I was gonna be doing this. So I have to use a adjustable wrench. Oliver. Let's start big and go big. Bam. Like that. Right there. Y'all should see this. Bam. So now I'm gonna do the same to the bottom. Okay, blah blah blah. Y'all know what's up. Y'all know what's up. Stay there, phone. Don't fall. Don't fall. Turn around. The same thing happened at the bottom, making my life that much easier. Thank you, Father above. Okay, so we're we're about an eighth of an inch deep. So now I'm gonna clean the edge. Mm. Yeah, y'all heard it. That was the very tip of the blade. But it's embedded in the wood, so it's very safe to leave it there. Now the bottom. All over. Hello. Hello there. Yeah, that's what I think, huh? Come on. So that's good. That's good. Come on, Eileen. Come on, Eileen. Come on, Eileen. Okay, well, it is what it is. Here's how it looks.